Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I've been playing with these guys a little bit lately. Celluloid guitar picks. Old ping pong balls were made out of this stuff too. But you can take these, and I've just got it set on my leg right this minute. You can scrape it. Actually got a bunch. Phew, calm down, buddy. What are you doing? Didn't get that much on it, really. But you can take these. Oh, damn. Dropped it. Why am I whispering? Hang on. So, I have just a little bit of stuff on there. Charger there. I know what I'll do. I'll take and just like feather stick it almost. Normally I just let these dudes with a lighter, but you'll see when it gets lit that these are crazy good. Don't burn my fluff off of my... So, pretty cool. They don't last very long, but they burn extremely well. And like they can be wet or whatever, it doesn't matter once they get going. That one that lit just a minute ago lit on the opposite side of where I had scraped it. Oh, crusty. Just another spot. But they're actually pretty decent. For what they are. It's pretty wild. The celluloid stuff was basically like the first plastic. And just like that, they're gone. But this is the LT pronghorn, and my old crusty firesteel.com half by maybe 3.5. I mean 3, 2.5 or 3, can't remember right off the top of my head. And it's just got some waxed hemp up here at the top and a couple of glow-in-the-dark O-rings and a D20. And again, these are just celluloid guitar picks of different thicknesses. I just bought like an assortment pack of them. And you can, you can just scrape them or cut the side, or you can just drop sparks on them until they catch. But pretty fun option. I'm not telling you guys to carry a bag of guitar picks, but they definitely work. Anywho, later.